Hello friends, welcome to Career Web YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you two job opportunities which are for software engineers, and both the opportunities are for freshers. So if you are a fresher, then you can easily apply to them. And one more thing I want to tell you that if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing as I upload videos on daily basis, and you can also turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any opportunity. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is the first opportunity of this video. So this is coming from radixweb.com. So let's see what is it. So here you can see this job is for trainee software engineer post, and the number of openings are 100, and they didn't require any experience. If you are a fresher, then you can apply. So for qualifications, you should be of 2021 or 2022 batch and any of these streams like BE, ME, MSc, MCA, BTech also means IT and computer engineering. So you can be from any of the engineering fields, then you can apply. So the candidate must do online registration for the online assessment test. The candidate share the soft copy CV. So means you need to complete an assessment, online assessment test, which is going to be on their website, and you also need to share your resume or CV with them. So let's see the interview process. So there are three rounds: round one, round two, and round three. So in round one, you are going to have an online assessment test, which is of 100 marks, and you will get 90 minutes to do that. So you are going to have MCQs and coding questions. So if you will clear that round, then you will be qualified for round two. So in round two, online assessment is there, which is also of 100 marks and 90 minutes. In that also you are going to see MCQ and coding questions. And if you clear that, then you are going to be qualified for round three. So round three is going to be the final round, which is a web interview, or you can say personal interview, and it is of 60 minutes. So if you clear this round, then you are going to get the job in Radix Web company. Okay, so let's see. Your job time is going to be full time and it is permanent opportunity. So your job location is going to be in Ahmedabad. This is the address. So if you want to know about the company, then you can see here, like it is founded in 2000. Radix Web is a leading software development company serving over 2900 clients in 25 countries. It's a good opportunity for you guys, so you can have some experience by joining them. All right. If you want to read more about them, you can read it from here. I'll provide you that link so that you can apply also. So now to apply for this job, you need to click this apply now button. And after clicking that button, you will see this form. So here is the job title, which is pre-filled, and you can put your name here, then email ID, contact number, state, city, and you can upload your CV or resume, and then you can submit it. And after clicking the submit button, your job application is with them. If you will be eligible, then you will got a mail from them with the assessment link and further details. So this is our first opportunity, and let's move on to our next job opportunity. So before going to that, if you haven't liked this video, then please hit like button and also subscribe to my channel if you are new, so you will not miss any upcoming opportunities. So let's move on to our next job opportunity. This is a job opportunity which is from Revature, and this is for entry level software engineer. So the number of positions they are providing is 300. You can see here, like we are looking for 300 entry level software engineers to work in Java full stack development and big data. So if you are having experience with Java and want to work on big data, then this is a very good opportunity for you. And 300 positions are there, so there is a good chance that you can be selected. So let's see. So what we want. So they want an engineering graduate with computer science background. Like if you are from BE, BTech, CSC, IT, any branch, then you can apply to this. You should be of 2020 or 2021 batch, and you should have minimum 65% in your engineering degree without backlogs, and you should have a minimum of 60% in your 10th and 12th board exams, and you should have good communication skills also. So what they offer, they are offering 5 lakh CTC per annum, which is a good amount for a fresher. So you should apply to this opportunity. And the opportunity to work in product development service integrations, free bootcamp training. If you are at training period, then you are also going to get 5,000 per month. So how do they hire? So they are going to take an online assessment which will include logical, reasoning, algorithmic, technical and coding questions. So there is also, after clearing this round, you are going to have one-on-one technical screening, and after that you are going to have an HR discussion. And if you pass all these rounds, then you will get hired. So now let's see how we can apply to this. So you can see here, like there is a small form which is inbuilt on this site. So you can put all the details here, like your first name, last name, email, phone, state, degree, branch, graduation date, university, score in your engineering degree, score in 12th, 10th, and then you can submit your resume, and after that you can submit this form. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.